Welcome to the Maak channel. Today we have a beautiful drawing of a cute baby reindeer sitting in the snow. Big black eyes make this drawing more beautiful. Now I'm drawing its ears. Two beautiful horns like tree branches. A warm scarf that shows that the baby reindeer in the drawing lives in a cold place. Its hands and feet seem to be sitting in the snow. Snowflakes are falling from the sky. It's time coloring. A combination of light and dark orange colors and a little brown for the baby reindeer is a good choice. Excellent! That's it! A green scarf to make the drawing happier. And a little pinch for the snowflakes. Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.